Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Leviathan's Wrath in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to get the Leviathan's Wrath, you need to complete this Dead Man's Treasure quest, and you can start the quest after you talk to the Dead Man's NPC or the skeleton NPC, and you can find the dead skeleton in the pirate treasure room. Okay, this is the quest detail. You need to find 4 letters hidden in the Pirate Cove chest, and then return and speak with the dead skeleton. And this is the Leviathan's Wrath. And you will get this item after you complete the mission. I'm still working on this mission, guys. For finding the letters, I've already made a video. Basically, you need to find the chest, and if you're lucky, you can find the letters from the Pirate Cove chest. And you need to return to the treasure room, the pirate treasure room, to speak with the dead skeleton. Okay, to unlock the treasure room, you need to finish this quest first. Well, let me show you the quest. So the quest is called the Mysterious Cave. You need to find 4 TNT, and then you can unlock this cave. Then you can go there and you will find the maze room, and pass the maze room to find the pirate treasure room. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Leviathan's Wrath in Fish It game on Roblox Pirate Cove update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!